Hello, my name is Shirley. Every day is a big surprise. John entered a competition. She won sing on television. John is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Don't matter, keep the scare, surprise. But Don still has hiccups. Put your finger in your ears. But Don still has hiccups. Shotguns are like a lemon. But Don still has hiccups. The nurse gives John a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Don hiccup go. She is happy. She combed her hair. The music plays. She sings a song. I live in the city and I have a zero. We sleep in the playground. I go on the school. He's very strong and orange and black. It's around. It's beautiful. The crowd shout and cheer. Goodbye.